Good morning, friends. We have a very exciting episode for you all today. And currently we are making cinnamon buns.
Takes forever to leave. So today we are making a trek across the universe to the other side of town. We wanted to share some of our favorite parts of our community here in Lake Wilmington, Wrightsville Beach, Carolina Beach area, because they've made us always feel so welcome. We know that a lot of the stuff that we do can sometimes be intimidating for people who've never done it. So like surfing can be really intimidating if you're just getting started. It's scary to go out there with people who know what they're doing and put yourself out there knowing that you're not very good at it to start. And it's also scary to go into a surf shop sometimes because it can also be super intimidating. But Aussie Island Surf Shop, from when I first moved here like 11 years ago, has always welcomed me and never made me feel uncomfortable even when I was just starting surfing. And then since then I've actually ridden for them in competitions, and I've worked for them for many years, and they've never changed. They will always welcome you, they will always help you out and tell you the right thing to do, where to go, what to ride, and they're just awesome.
We're here at the shop. We're here with the boys. Gonna do a little Q&A action.
Yeah.
And this is where we feel at home. Out of all the skate shops in town, this is the place, dude.
We've always felt so welcomed by you guys. Aww. And it always feels like coming home, and you guys always help out like in the community and just everyone in general, and you never make anyone feel, intimidated to come in here and like learn to surf.
For me, it's more or less it's what I love to do. It's everything that we do. We skate, we surf, we have fun with it. It keeps us feeling young, it keeps us happy, so why not spread that with everybody? So to me, that's what it's about.
Absolutely, dude.
It was hard to even pull Zach away from talking to people because he just loves talking to people so much, and Seth came back just to talk to us because he loves us so much. But I mean, if you ever want to get started in something that you don't know, if you feel intimidated to do it, first of all, come to Aussie if you're in Wilmington and they'll help you out. But just don't feel intimidated because you'll always find super sick, nice people like these guys, and they'll help you out.
Absolutely.
Don't be afraid to do what you want to do. I just wanted to say thanks to Chris too, because he has done so much for just me and everyone. And honestly, I wouldn't be probably as good of a surfer as I am now, surf as much as I am now, or have anything to do with the community without Chris.
I just say I love these guys. We love people coming into the shop. We love talking surf, skate.
They really do. They'll talk to you forever.
I love Amanda and Zach. You guys are awesome, and I can't wait to keep in touch with you guys through your blog, through the blog, and see that.
Thanks, Chris.
Nice.
Thank you guys.
Hey.
It's fully freaking nuking out here, man. The grass is green, the trees are green and brown, the sky's blue, getting barreled left and right, bros.
Yeah, look at that stick, dude. The power. The boys. Yeah, boys. Heaviest sesh of all time, dude. Definitely the heaviest crew I've ever been a part of. But yeah, the sesh was had, dude, and it could not have been better. We had our doubts, but honestly, we knew it would work out.
It always comes through when you need it to.
Yeah.
That was so fun.
That was so fun.
Everyone came out. I rode 2 waves on my butt.
Yes.
So
Did some board transfers. It was amazing. Thank you, Aussie Island, for being the best surf shop.
letting us borrow foam boards.
Yeah. Being
And-
super incredible for our community and just like super welcoming. Because of you, we made it to 100 subscribers. You should be proud. We are so stoked that we're doing a giveaway. You can enter this giveaway by
Leaving a comment on this video, tagging a friend on our Instagram post talking about the giveaway, or commenting on our blog post about the giveaway.
enter now, tell your friends, keep the stoke alive.
The giveaway will start Monday, July 15th and end at midnight on July 22nd. That's a Monday.
It is on.